2007 E70, which is X5, and today we're gonna be replacing our Angel lights. And right at the corner of each headlight, the left one and the right one have the same exit hole, which is the little plug. You gotta twist it, basically unscrewed it, twisted the counterclock, and we have our Angel light bulbs. So also we have to twist that and pull it out. I believe we have regular H8 light bulbs. Just looks like these, and this one is pretty much toasted. We got a pair of those guys, GDM TD.
Simply regular Chinese LED light bulbs.
We have a whole unit, which is pretty big one, which has had two small boxes, capacitor boxes, and our connector unit. That's how it looks the inside, the original one, and as you can see, it's really dimmed. So we have our connector, which has got two clamps at the sides. I'm going to try to disattach the actual clamp here. One side, and the same way the other side. Oh, that's it. And as you can see, the original one is pretty beat up. I'm gonna take the connector. I'll try to plug it back on. Now we simply pop in the beauty back in the spot. Apparently everything working just fine. So it's not super bright, but at least it's white. In the nighttime, it's gonna be much better. Let's check the other side. This is how looked the yellowish one, which is dimmed one and pretty weak one. So way at the bottom, we have enough space to fit all these connectors, all these boxes. Just trying to place them nicely in there, and simply trying to put the actual cover, and that's it. So basically it's really easy to do it. For that kind of job you have to have pretty much no skills, and you don't really need to mess with anything in there.